Hey there! I typically don't do instructional videos like this, but I was pretty excited about this and I didn't see anything else online, so I figured I'd run through a brief tutorial on how to switch your Nokia Lumia 920 from a white shell, or whatever shell you may currently have, to the shell of your choice. Now, they were out when I wanted to get this phone of the blue. They only had white, but I found an awesome place online where you can get replacement shells, and looking at the quality, it looks like you're getting a pretty good deal. So I ordered this package off of online, and it didn't come from Nokia. It was sent by a Chinese manufacturer, but by looking at everything, you can tell you're getting a pretty good quality product. Now, they send you everything that you need with the package. So you've got your separation tool to take the phone out of the shell, and all the Torx tips that you'll need to disassemble the phone and the components inside. Now, the nice thing about the shell is that it comes with a lot of things, so you don't have to replace everything. It comes with the antenna on the left-hand side here, comes with the volume, power, and camera buttons on the side, as well as the speaker covers and the NFC on the back here. It even comes with the LED flash. Now, looking at these, they are almost identical except for one small thing, and that is that the original 920 says Carl Zeiss and then the aperture of the lens, and the new one says Nokia and then Carl Zeiss, which personally I actually prefer over that. But besides that, they are identical in every way, shape, and form that I have seen. Now, the only difference if you are looking to get one of these blue ones is that originally the 920 came with a matte finish of the blue, and this is a glossy blue finish. But personally, I like the glossy blue better, so I'm perfectly fine with that. It also comes with matching SIM tray card for it. Alright, so first what you're going to want to do, first and foremost, is to turn your working phone off, because you don't want to disassemble this while it's still on. Once it's off, go ahead and pop that SIM tray out. Now, if you don't have the SIM tray removal tool that came with your Nokia, which I have seemed to lost, you can either use a paper clip or some sort of thumbtack like this. Just stick it in the hole, push it down, pops the tray out. Now I'm just going to go ahead and get this all switched over to the new blue one here. So you're going to want to take your T4 Torx screw and take out the two bottom screws in the phone.
Never curse your name. I keep my lips shut tight until you go. We come as far as we ever gonna get, until you realize that you should go. I'm in misery where you can seem as old as your omens, and the mother we share will never keep your proud head from falling.
Okay. Now you definitely want to work from the bottom towards the top of the phone. So after you've got that, you can just slide it out there. Once again, I'm going to shut this off so I don't have to deal with screwing things up there. There we go. Just kind of lift gently, of course. Pull that out of the bottom there. And like I said, looking at the construction of both of these, I almost wouldn't be surprised if the maker of this originally made the shells for Nokia as well, because they are almost identical, but you can tell that everything is the same quality on the inside. And you're also, if you want to keep your wireless charging, which most of you will most likely want to do, you'll want to lift the wireless charging pad off the bottom of the phone here.
You can make it easy on me, and the mother we share will never keep our cold heart from calling in the day and night. I'm the only one here, and I will cover you until you go. 'Cause if I told the truth, I would always be free and keep a prize with me until you go.
Now you've got these pins to help you line up the old pad with the new case. So if you just line everything up, push it back down, and depending on how sticky or how much glue was left on the back of it, you might just be able to stick it down, but you may need to apply more glue in this case to get it to stick. Alright, once you've got your NFC charging, sorry, not your NFC, but your wireless charging on the phone, then the rest of it is just reassembly. So you want to take your micro USB port, and gently put that back in the phone. And it just snaps into place there, no problems. And you take your screen, click it in, just like so. And before I screw it back together, I'm going to turn it on, make sure everything's working okay. Now I don't know about you, but my phone, when it was in the white shell, this corner would stick up a little bit around the edges. It would stick up more than the other sides, and you could actually push it down. With this new shell, that is actually fixed, so it's actually even all the way around the phone. Yeah, Well, it looks like the phone is turning on fine. I'm going to take the picture, test out the flash, because the new shell did come with its own flash. And the new flash is working. And I'm also going to check out and make sure that the wireless charging is also still. Alright, wireless charging is a go, and so is the USB port. So everything looks like it's good. So I'm going to shut the phone back off, pop my SIM card back in, and then put these two screws in the bottom, and we're good to go. And that's how you replace the shell of a Nokia Lumia 920.